Hi guys, I just wanted to come on here today and show you really quick this loaded envelope or loaded pocket that I made. It is made out of 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 paper. I will link to the tutorial down below that I used to make this. It was really easy to follow, but the only thing I would change is how big it is because it is a little bit tall, as you can see, and I didn't have a lot of tall things to slip in there, so whatever's in this back pocket you can't see, but if that's something you're looking for, then this tutorial is a great tutorial to follow. So I'm just going to show you really quick what's in it. First off, this paper that I used is from Walmart. It is like the shiny kind of like unicorn skin paper, and it came in a pack like that you would find next to the just regular printer paper, and I just saw it there while I was looking for printer paper actually, and I thought it was really pretty, so I picked it up. I don't have the package and I don't remember what it was called, but just try and look in that section and you'll probably be able to find it. In this front pocket here, I have some tags, and sorry if this is a little shaky. I'm filming on my iPhone just because I wanted to do something a little different and make sure I'm actually in frame for once. But these are the tags I made. This one I stuffed with some really cute little succulent die cuts. I'll show you the dies I used after I show you everything in the pocket, but there's just some cute die cuts in here, and I did cut out the tag with my die cut machine as well. But that's this tag. And then I have this tag here, which I just decorated. There's nothing on it that she can take off, but I think it's pretty cute. And this was a cutout from a piece of paper that I've had for a really long time. And then this tag is just a pocket with a bunch of different feathers in there. So I just wanted to include that for her because she's not new to scrapbooking, but she's kind of new, and I wanted to make sure she had enough stuff to, you know, make more crafts with. So there's that, and then behind those 2 tags, oh, this paper clip is from my Aunt Nancy. She made me a bunch of them, and I thought I would share this one with my friend because, I don't know, it matched and I thought it was cute, and she is also a planner, so she can put that in her planner if she wants, or she can keep it on there. In these envelopes here, I included some die cuts. They just have a little bit of glue on the bottom so they stay shut, but I just cut out a bunch of these little stamps from my die cut machine as well. Like I said, I'll show you the dies I used, but I just put a bunch of those in this envelope. And then in this envelope here, I just have a bunch of labels in it. I cut out a whole bunch of different sizes. There's a small one, and then I think there's a next smallest one, and then there's a bigger one too, so that she could layer them up and make embellishments of her own with these. Because she doesn't have a die cut machine, so I wanted to give her some. In this, right behind in the same pocket, I have a kit that I put in some leftover packaging from my AliExpress die haul. But I just wanted to include a binder ring flip book kit so that she could make her own, like tag flip or binder ring flip book, I like to call them. But there's just project life cards, a binder ring in here for her to attach them to, some doilies, and then I did cut out some more of these tags. Well, that's an envelope, but of these tags. And I put them all in this little bag for her so she could have the base for her tag flip if she wanted to make one. And if she chooses not to make one, then at least she has these cute things to play with. Up here I have a little binder ring clip, or I guess it's just a binder clip, but I have that on there just to look cute. I got that at the dollar store. And then here I made a Prima like dresser tag. My Aunt Nancy sent these to me, but oh, she also sent me this stamp, which I think is really cute. But I just decorated it with the Prima doll in there. I can't remember her name. Her name is Jill, so if you're looking for this Prima doll, her name is Jill. And this looks like my friend, her name's Rebecca, and I just thought it would be cute if I made it look like her. So I have that on there, and then just a dollar store sticker and some washi tape behind it, and then some trim. And like I said, her name's Rebecca, so I put her name up there. And then next to that, this pocket doesn't have a lot in there because I didn't want things to be hidden in the bottom. But next to that, this comes off. It's just lightly glued on there. I made a little sunflower embellishment for her, and then I used this Heidi Swap sticker, which I got at Hobby Lobby. And I just made that for her because she loves sunflowers, so I wanted her to have a sunflower. But it was really hard to make. This die, like, it cuts well, but it's hard to put together, I guess, so I'll just leave it at that. Here is one of my first attempts at making a wand. I saw everybody here on YouTube making these, and I wanted to make one of my own. So this is my first attempt. It's not that great, but I like how it came out overall. The bow's a little messed up, so don't worry about that. But I used, instead of a straw, I used just a piece of rolled up paper. So, I don't know. I think it looks okay. It's a little bit thicker, as you can see. Oops. It's a little bit thicker, but it works. And then I have a doily here, and then I cut these out with my Cricut to like circle doilies in paper, and then I have a silver doily, which I bought from Hobby Lobby, and then some ribbon, and then a circle die cut with this is a butterfly from the Target Dollar Spot last spring. So I just put that in the center, and then I just have some bows right here, and then this is, again, Paper Studio Hobby Lobby. It comes in a roll. It's like trim, but I just cut out a single rose to put on there. And then inside this envelope here, I do have a couple of things. Because I included a little tag flip kit, I wanted to add some embellishments for her to play with. So I have pearls in here, I have a wooden die cut, I have binder rings, paper clips for her to attach the pages to, I have some twine in there, she wants to add ribbon to the tags, and then I have some gems, and, oh, buttons, another unicorn paper clip. Just a bunch of fun things she can use in there, and this is also reused packaging from Michael's. I saved these and I just use them to put other stuff in. Because I don't know where you buy these. A lot of people buy them brand new, but I don't know where you buy them, so I just reused them, and I don't see why not. So that's in there, and then that is everything I included for her. Here's the envelope, not filled. I just have this trim, which I got from the Target Dollar Spot a long time ago. I don't know if they still have it, but that is the pocket that I made. And then I'm just going to quickly show you the dies I used to make it. These are all from AliExpress. I will leave the link to my haul down below where you can see all of the ones I got and them up close, but I'm just going to show you what I have. I have this label one, and I made all of these envelopes, and then I'm in the process still of adding the die cuts on top of some of them, as you'll see. This one I use to make the lace circles. It looks like this. This is the biggest one, but there's just a whole bunch of them in there in different sizes. This one is the scalloped tags, if I can get it out. Let's see. So here's one of them, and that's what that looks like. And then I also use the postage stamps. And then this is the sunflower die cut. You can cut, this is all one piece, but I cut mine so that when I cut out the thing, this is supposed to stay connected inside this piece, but I just cut them separately, like the lines in between, and layered them up to make the sunflower. But it also comes with this middle die cut and then this little one as well. And then here are the succulents I used, and I just paper pieced them so the pots were different colors and the plants were actually green. And then last but not least, I have the feathers that I cut out for her. So I hope you enjoyed my project share, and I'm really excited to give this to my friend. This is in response to the first exploding box she's ever made, which I did share here on YouTube as well. And if you want to see that, I'll definitely link that below. But this is in response to that, so I just added a whole bunch of stuff for her to play with, and I'm really excited to give it to her, so I hope she likes it. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.